We have come to interrupt this program, as there's an emergency in Tuvalu. An earthquake and a massive tsunami is going to our country as we speak. So go to an airport and fly to another country, as this country is about to collapse. If it's too late, we'll get emergency and help you escape. We don't leave people behind. Goodbye Tuvalu.